Hi, I'm Christine with Crafts Direct, and who doesn't like a quick and easy project? I created this in just a few minutes with some 5x7 photos, some rustic inlay frames, and some stickers. I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started.
These are the supplies you're going to need for this project, and you can also find a list on our projects page at craftsdirect.com underneath our projects tab. To get started, we're going to remove the inserts from each frame, and you're going to remove the inserts from all 4 frames, and this is what it'll look like when it comes out. And you want as many frames as you have people in your family. For the larger family photo, I laid the frame over the photo to make sure I wasn't going to cut off anybody's head or body parts. And then I laid the inlay over the photo and I traced it with a pen. You're then going to take your paper trimmer and you are going to trim all the excess off of your photo so it fits into the frame. I then took my photo and I placed it over the insert that I had previously removed, and then I inserted it back into my wood frame, pushing down the points to hold it in. I then repeated this with the rest of my photos and the frames. I then laid my framed photos out and I took the thickers pack and chose the words that I had wanted to apply to each photo. Once I picked out a word, I stuck it directly onto the photo, pushing it down to make sure it stuck well. I picked one word per photo and I started with the word grateful and applied that to my photo. And then I chose the word family for the family photo. I chose the word thankful for another photo. And then I chose the word blessings. And for the word blessings, I ended up cutting off the S and then applied the word to the photo. I then just took the hangers and I turned them so I could use those hangers to attach these to the wall to hang them up. And once you have that done, your project is complete.
For the supply list for this project and other inspiration, check out our webpage at craftsdirect.com under the Projects tab.